Yo, how is going, folks? In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 7, which is very slow and you cannot game it on anymore because you are thinking you have to upgrade your PC hardwares. So no, folks, here I'm going to explain you can still game on your weak PC without any further upgrading. You need to just follow this whole video and you need to watch it carefully. So right here you have to right click on computer icon, then go to advanced system settings. Now click to adjust for best performance. Now click for apply. I know it will look so ugly, as you can see. So now you can see you have to change the wallpaper. To do this, just right click and get to personalize, and here you have to select the solid colors and you can choose any your favorite color. And now you have to go to start menu, and here you have to write percent temp and percent, and now you have to hit control plus all button, and now you have to hit this delete button, and just hit the enter button, and now you have to skip this file. Now you have to empty your recycle bin. The next step is you have to defrag your all partitions of your hard disk. So to do this, you have to just go to start and write defrag. You can see here this is disk defragmenter. As you can see, you have to select your all disks, and first you have to click here on analyze disk. You have to wait until the analyzation process complete. You have to analyze your all partitions. Alright, here you can see, most importantly, you have to make sure you have defragged your partition C drive. So here you can see I have about 9% of defragmented in this partition. So all you need to do is hit this defragment disk button, and after that you have to wait until half an hour, or it can take more of your time, depend on your capacity of your partition. So right now I'm not going to do this because I am making a video. So I'm going to close this button, and the next step is that you have to go to start and write msconfig, and you have to click on boot tab. Now select your current Windows, and now hit this advanced button, and you have to select the number of your processor. If you do this, you will get your number of processor. Right now I have only 2 cores on my PC, so here it is showing only 2 cores. If you have about more than 2, you have to select the maximum number of processor and click on that number, and here you have to select this maximum memory button. It will be automatically set to the maximum memory. So now click on OK. Now you have to click on services button, and you can disable all the services as your wish. Will be speed up your PC. And the next you have to go to the start tab, and you can also disable all these programs, but right now I'm only going to disable this CCleaner program and Daemon tool and this Easy Hide IPVDBN. So you have to now click on UAC setting, and you have to default it is here, and you have to drag it down to lower and click on OK, so that there will be no any confirmation while running any exe file. And the next thing is that you have to download this CCleaner app. It is about only 5 or 6 MB, and you have to update to this latest version. Right now I'm not going to update. As you can see, you have to clean your registry. Now fix selected issue. Now fix all issues, and then close this. So guys, congratulations, your PC will be running smoothly now, and I hope your game will be too running fastly. And this additional step is that you have to click on C drive, right click on C drive, and you have to select disk cleanup. While this is loading, I am going to give another additional step, that you have to disable your Windows Update option. Now you can see it is scanning unnecessary files on this drive. So you can see that alright guys, you can see disk cleanup for C drive. You have to select all these, tick this all list, and you have to click on delete files permanently. Alright guys, you have to now close this box, and you have to go to this and now you have to right click here and go to properties, and now you have to rate your PC. I'm not going to refresh it now, but if you didn't refresh your rating, then you have to do this again, and it will give a rating to your PC and performance, so that This additional setup will also improve the computer's performance. So you have to refresh your PC or rerun the assessment, and now you have to go to control panel and uninstall a program, and here you can see turn Windows features on or off. Now you can see here it will be showing your Windows features. Now you have to untick on games, Internet Explorer, Windows Gadget platform, and yes, nothing else. No, and you have to untick on media features and download any another um, media player software, and here you have to uninstall any unnecessary application. Now you have to click on the computer's properties, and now you have to go to on device manager, and make sure there's um, uh, yeah, make sure that you have installed all the drivers of your CPU of your motherboard. uh, if you didn't do this, you have to just insert your motherboard DVD on your CD drive, and you have to install all the necessary drivers, and yeah, make sure you updated your graphic card, and if you have NVIDIA graphic card, you have to just go here on GeForce Experience, or you can click here and select check for updates options. Now it will be search for any new driver update. Make sure you update your graphic driver. This is the most important step on this video. As you can see, it is searching for drivers update. Here you can see I'm using the latest driver of my GPU. So now close this, and the last step is you have to right click here on the start the task manager. After you are seeing this, you go to process tab, and now you have to click on show all processes from the user, and here you can see these two are the unnecessary process which are consuming RAM of my PC. Simply you have to click on end process, and you have to click on yeah, so you have to make sure that you are not running any background process while playing a game. So here you can see, if I am going to start a game, I have to close this Bandicam software and these unnecessary Google Chrome processes like that, and if you are want to disable and more processes, you can end your sound cards processes, this and this, and you can also end this Microsoft Windows search indexer process, and startup application process. So, and also you can end this trust installer .exe process, and Windows logon. No, you don't have to end this process, because if you do so, you will be logged off. And if possible, you can insert a pen drive on your PC. So yeah, you can insert any pen drive on your PC like this. I have inserted a pen drive on my PC. Here you have to go on your pen drives properties, and you have to click on Ready Boost, and here you can either use this device as to boost your RAM performance, and else you can click here on dedicate this device to Ready Boost. So I will prefer this dedicate this device to Ready Boost. This will create a cache on your pen drive. As you can see, it's about 3.93 GB, and this will be only doing that. Yeah, here you can see the performance. It will be using as virtual RAM on your PC. It will be not your it will not increase your original RAM memory. It will be only stop and optimize your process to speed up your PC. So this is all the setup, guys. I hope your PC will start doing better and better if you follow these all steps carefully. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you like this video.